Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make some empty duct tape rolls into this it's like storage pot thingy. I'm using it to hold my different scissors that I've got. So you're just going to need 2 empty rolls from either duct tape or just like normal packaging tape. And now I'm going to just make a small duct tape sheet that is big enough to fit on the bottom of one of these rolls. This is going to be on the inside of the roll, so it doesn't matter what colour you have. I'm going to use brown because I don't really use brown that often. I don't want to waste a nice colour. So then I'm going to draw around one of the rolls just as a template. Then I am going to cut it out using a craft knife. So I'll do that. Next, I'm going to make a slightly larger sheet, and I'm going to do this in yellow. Depending on how you want to decorate yours, do whatever colour you want, but I'm doing like a underwater theme. So this is going to be yellow, this is going to be like the sand. Just making sure that's going to be big enough. You want this to be bigger than the other circle. So I'm going to flip that over, place the circle I did before on top. I'm going to flip it back over. Then I'm just going to cut round that. I'm going to leave like about 2 centimetre gap around, so there's like a sticky edge to it. Then I'm going to cut little slits all the way around the edge, and this is so it fits on the bottom nicely. So once you've done that, you're going to carefully peel it off the board and flip it over again. Then we're going to stick it to one of the rolls. So be careful when you do this. You don't want to rip any of the little tabs off. So you flip it over, you put the roll on top, line it up with the bottom circle, and then just one tab at a time you just pull it up and place it onto the roll. It just kind of sits nicer if you like cut the little slits, rather than if you just done the big circle and tried to fold it over. There'd be like loads of creases and stuff. So that's why I do it this way. Also make a nice little fan effect around the outside as well. So this is what it looks like when it's done. So this is going to be the bottom. Then I'm just going to grab another one, and I'm just going to tape these together using clear tape, just so they're in place. So this doesn't need to be perfect, so I'm going to go over it in duct tape anyway. So I'm just going to put a couple of bits of tape, one each side, just to hold it roughly in place. Now with this, I don't actually put any duct tape on the inside or colour the inside, because you don't really see it once it's full, but you can if you want. So next I'm going to do a strip of blue, because obviously if I'm underwater it's going to be the sea. I'm just going to make a wiggly line around the bottom edge, just to, so it's not just a straight line across the sand. And just wrap this around the bottom. I didn't do very well with this, I must admit. When I was putting it on, it did crease up slightly, but for some reason the second bit that I done didn't. So this bit on top, you put another layer on it. And the top one should actually have a bit left at the top, and what we're going to do with that is put slits in the top all the way around the edge like we did with the bottom, and we're just going to fold those over, so you've got no stickiness around the top, and it just makes a nice edge, nice clean edge around the top. Then next, just decorate it however you want. So I'm just going to cut out some seaweed using green tape. I even cut out a little basic shark because I like sharks. You see the blue shark? They're so cute. And then I think I even done a jellyfish. So just decorate it how you want, and that's it. You're done. It's ready to use. Thanks for watching. Bye.